Hi folks, Peter here from Warehouse Guys. Yes, we do kitchens as well. We do all sorts of kitchens. You can see we're in the design room right now with Kevin. Kevin, say hello to the people.
Hello people.
He's doing a design right now. As you can see, it's a simple L kitchen with a island. What we do typically with our kitchens is Kevin does a design. As you can see over here, there's two other chairs. That's for people to come and be involved in the design. Rather than just saying, hey, I need a kitchen, here's my measurements and make it up for you, we actually get you involved. So you might, like your dishwasher to the right or the left of the sink or this, that. So we get you involved, figure out exactly what you do want. Kitchens, all sorts of them. These ones come in different colors, different door styles. But come over here, through here, and you'll see this is your custom kitchen, custom size. We can make any kitchen, anything you want. There's many different door styles. You can have it any color you want, any different design. We offer everything that you need. And right now, currently, we have 30% off kitchen cupboards for the month of January and February, I believe. So there you go, warehouseguys.com. Come see us. We'll build you a kitchen and we'll get you involved in the design. Have a great day. warehouseguys.com.